Now in the flame test, you take a Bunsen burner on a heat-proof mat, and you have a beaker which is filled with acid, and then this here which is called a nichrome loop. It's essentially a piece of metal, nickel and chromium, that is on a cork to give it a handle. First thing I'm going to do is dip the nichrome loop into the acid. This will do two things. The first thing it will do is it will remove any contaminants that may have stuck to the nichrome loop, which may alter my results. And also, it does the favour of making the nichrome loop wet so that any powders will stick. I'll then dip the nichrome loop into the powder, and hopefully some of the powder should stick to the nichrome loop. I can then put the nichrome loop, dip the nichrome loop into a roaring flame, and I should observe a colour change. And depending on which colour I see, that will help me identify the metal. There we go. So hopefully you're seeing this crimson colour being given off. And this crimson colour indicates to me that we are looking at lithium. Right, we're getting that beautiful yellow colour here. Now that yellow is indicative of sodium. This is a sort of orangey red colour. And this orange red colour that you're seeing now on the camera is indicative of calcium. Okay, so it's a little bit different to sodium. It's less yellow than sodium. This is calcium, the orange red of calcium. There it is, lilac. Now that tells us it's potassium. That lilac-y purple colour that you see there, potassium. You're seeing that green colour? That's not because I'm about to appear in Diagon Alley. That is because this compound contains copper. So when a compound contains copper, we get a green flame. So a green result from a flame test indicates